Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything, fire spreading.
Yep. There's a transporter. Somewhere here. There is some new bits for it. Now we're going to install, to meet the all black theme, all black grille, black lower grills, and a splitter. So I'm going to set it up on time lapse, whip the bumper off, and then we'll meet back and install it to the bumper.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel
bumpers off. First job's going to be to remove the poppy. That will most definitely be going back on. Alright, I think, pardon me, the best way of doing this is to get rid of the grill because it's just flapping in the wind, which means taking the all black badge off first. So I'm going to remove the badge, then remove the grill. There's the badge. Already black. Now the next job is going to be to remove the grill. These clips are fucking horrible. There is no way it is that easy. Absolutely no fucking way. Well, all the clips are still on. I'm going to lay the bumper on its front. I'm going to tackle these grills because these are going to be shit. gloss back, textured bloody bumper black. So I reckon now, flip it on its upside down, have a go at fitting the splitter. No, I'm going to give it a bit of rigidity, so I'm going to fit the grills back in, the gloss grills. But not before I clean. Oh, fuck this up, didn't I? Middle grill goes in first. But it looked good. The aim is to get these tabs back through these little slits, slots, whatever, to secure them to the bumper. One. Come on. Sit us in. Right, done. Splitter time. What I'm going to do is place it on top. Do a couple of, God, I don't fit very well. A couple of little measurements. Middle of the splitter, mark it. I'll do the middle of the, from there to there is 69, 34 and a half. 34 and a half is there, roughly. Number plate plinth to number plate plinth, which is 54, 25, 27. Yeah. My stick's bent, but that's pretty bob on. Where it is, fuck it, screw it down. Ooh, it looks alright. Not bad. Grill time. Just bloody hit it. Which is the answer to everything. Beat it. I think that's her. I think she's done. So I'll get it on the van and show you when it's done.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well.
Last but not least, the badge.
Is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
That's it. She's done. Don't she look good? All black. Massively appreciate if everyone would like and subscribe, because I could do with some likes right now. Now for my evening, I'm going to be continuing with the R32. For you, go back and watch some of the older videos if this is the first one you've seen. They're a bit, oops, kick the tripod, they're a bit pants, but they do get better, I promise. Hopefully this one on the R32 will be even better. It should be wrapping it up a little bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. Again, like, share, subscribe.